it's Wardrobe here, and today I have a very, very special video for you guys. It is Pride Week in Toronto, so we decided in honor of this awesome occasion, me and my friend Heidi are going to turn Luna into a rainbow unicorn. Oh yeah. So, we aren't 100% sure how to do this. We're kind of making it up as we go along. But I looked it up on the internet, and food coloring in water is completely safe to dye your pet's fur with. It comes out when you give them a bath, and I think it'd be really fun to make Luna super colorful for this year's Pride Parade. So, let's get started. And I think the first thing we're going to do is I just came from Halifax, so I lost all of Luna's brushes. They're deep in my luggage. We have these human hair brushes, and we're going to just give her hair a little bit of a brush through so there's no knots or tangles before we put the dye in. So yeah. That's a good girl! Oh yes, you're at the salon. Yes, baby. Alright, so I think that she's all good on the brushing front. Let's do the food coloring. So, I'll maybe move this table in front of the camera so you guys can see what I'm doing. I have a whole bunch of Tupperware containers full of water, and I have 2 packages of food coloring. We got neon, and we got regular, and we are going to use all of them. So, I also got these spray bottles so we could spray it onto her. So I am going to start with maybe just putting a couple drops in and seeing how dark it is, and then we can add more and spray more.
You might need to use a lot.
Yeah.
Just from my experience with coloring.
Okay. Then we're gonna use a lot. I guess we should start with red. That's the first color in the rainbow. Don't know why I started with blue. It's just gonna be like a mane, so it's gonna start at her head and kind of go down her whole body, I think. Okay, so red food coloring. I want you guys to be able to see how red this is getting. Oh yeah, I guess you'll see it more for the other colors, but I am putting in a fair amount. Oh my god, this looks like blood. Okay, this looks like it's good. That looks like it's pretty colorful.
Better to have more than...
Okay. So, this is the first color, Luna. Are you ready? She doesn't know what's coming.
Just give her a big stripe down the top.
Okay, how am I gonna put this into the bottle? Do you want me to try? I feel like we need a funnel. Do you have a funnel? I do not have a funnel.
If you're just careful.
Okay, I trust you.
If I ruin your backyard, then
never forgive you. It's weird because it's like a weird lip, right? Oh my goodness, the precision.
I don't know how I pulled that off, but
I'm actually so impressed with you. That was next level.
Luna's now off.
Luna's like, I'm hiding out. I have a feeling something's gonna happen. That's what she's thinking. Okay, move this out of the way until the next color. Okay, come here, Luna.
Just making sure that...
Okay, there you go. Here, come here, Luna. Come here. Oh, wait. Oh, there we go. Can you sit? Sit your butt. Good girl. Oh my god, the look of surprise on her face. What the heck? What the heck is this thing? Don't worry, baby. I'm not gonna open your eyes. I think it needs to be oh, we don't like it. So fast, okay?
Yeah, you might have to... I think she doesn't like it because it's cold water.
Oh, maybe not. Oh. Maybe I might be easier to do with a sponge if the sponge is off.
Yeah, true.
I think that might be the way. I think she'll like that more because she'll feel like she's getting pet. Okay. That wasn't we don't like the spray bottle. That's lesson number 1. The spray bottle is not our friend. Okay. Sit. I'm gonna go get some sponges.
It did dye her fur though.
It did dye her fur, and it's vibrant. It's vibrant, but I don't think she likes the feeling of getting squirted, which is fair. I wouldn't like getting squirted in the face either.
You're such a good girl. Oh, yes, you are. Oh, yes. Oh, she likes it.
Oh yeah, she likes it way more. We don't need to do it in a way that's not nice. We only do it in a nice way. And I feel like as I put it on, maybe you could go through and comb it more in there.
I'm gonna put, should I put a bit more food coloring in?
Yeah, I think maybe put the whole thing in, honestly. Because, you know, we ain't using it for anything else. We don't really need it.
I think some of it like settled in the bottom.
Oh, we can like stir it up.
Oh. The good thing about food coloring is
Oh
it's
wow,
not
that's
gonna,
way more vibrant.
food coloring's not gonna like dye.
No. Oh baby. Oh baby.
I'm just like blocking.
Oh my goodness. Are you a redhead now? How does it feel to be a ginger? Do you like it?
Her hair's like all slicked back.
Yeah, you look like a gangsta. Oh my goodness. It's a redhead. It's a redhead. And let's brush it through a little. My little redhead. My little redhead. She likes it. She likes it so much better than the spray bottle.
Yeah.
She was not liking the spray bottle. I'm glad that we changed it. Here, we can tilt it a little more down now that she's laying. Okay. Do you want to start mixing like an orange one with like half red, half yellow?
Yeah.
Well, I get the salon.
I feel like since she's more comfortable like with you, it's easier for you to do that part.
Yeah. She's like, Mom is a weirdo. I already knew that. But I thought Heidi was cool. What the hell?
Mixed up some orange.
Oh! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! You look crazy. You look like a lion a little bit, like with a lion's mane. Gina, do you still love me? Oh yeah, now we're getting some orange. That was a better dip. Baby wins.
She knows what's about to happen.
She
Aw.
fully does.
But it's just water.
It's just water with a little color. You like being in the rain? Think of it as a rain cloud. She's like, I don't understand English. This isn't comforting me. I also don't understand logic. We're doing yellow now. It's the third color. You've accepted it, huh?
She definitely doesn't mind with the rag.
Yeah, she really doesn't like the spray bottle, though. Which is fair. I get it. Okay. Yes, yellow is done.
Yellow? And now what's next?
Or I guess I should use all of the yellow that we have.
Green?
Yeah, I think green is next. RGB, whatever.
She's starting to look like the rainbow.
Oh, yes. Like the rainbow pooch she is.
Ooh. It's good to add as much like food coloring
Yeah.
as possible.
Like, put the whole thing in, or it is not vibrant enough. And I can't even imagine how you would do this on a dog that wasn't white, because I don't think it would really show up at all. Oh yeah, that green looks great, Luz. You are a model! You look like a rainbow pooch. Are you rainbow pooch? You are
And now
so
it's blue.
cute. I feel like she really hated it in the beginning, but once we started working our way away from the face, she was like, this is fine.
Ooh, that looks really cool. Wow, it's really coming together.
Yeah, I'm so happy with it so far. You got the blue booty.
It's
Blue
more
booty
like
cutie.
it's more like teal.
Yeah, it is. I like that everything like faded
Yeah.
together really well.
Yeah.
Like, I think probably because I'm not switching rags. What do you guys think? Does she look pride-tastic yet? Okay, I think we're getting ready for purple. Oh yeah, that's purple. Oh my goodness, is that purple?
Look at your hands.
I'm like every color.
Oh, baby. Oh, yeah.
Oh my goodness. Yes, girl.
This is turning out exactly how I hoped it would.
Me too. I honestly wasn't so sure that this would go too well, and like when she really didn't like it in the beginning, I was like, oh, this could be a disaster. But we are accepting of the purple butt now. You are styling. You are such a good girl. You like put up with us even though you didn't like it on your face. You were like, it's okay. I'm gonna persevere so I can be the most beautiful dog in Pride.
So we just have one more color after this.
Oh my goodness, Luna. That booty be looking fine, girl.
What are you doing?
She's like silently hating you. Planning my escape. So this is the last color that I need to do before Luna is all done and fully rainbowed up. Oh my goodness! You are just so beautiful! Oh yes! I will say every color we used, like straight from the food dye thing, was perfect. When we tried to mix the red and the yellow together to make orange, it didn't work at all. So just go with the straight colors that are in the food pack. Like, don't mix them. It doesn't, makes the color weak. Oh my goodness. You look so cute. Should we get you in your unicorn outfit? Huh? Full on unicorn now that you got your hat on. Are you ready? Oh, you don't love the hat. That's okay. You don't need to wear it. But you are just the prettiest unicorn in the whole entire universe. She's like, get this off me, Mom. Okay. But you are so beautiful. You want a romp? Huh? Oh, rainbow romp. Rainbow romp. Are you ready? Go get it, girl. So that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Comment if you've ever dyed your pet's hair a crazy color. And I will see you guys next time. I'm going to try and vlog when me and Luna are at Pride. So I think that'll be the next time I see you. Have a great day.